Hey everyone, this is the Electric Supercar channel. Today's video is going to be a little different. Typically we do a lot of car build content, and today I'm going to take a little bit of time to talk about subscribers. So recently just hit the 1,000 subscriber mark here in 2020, and just kind of wanted to show a little bit about YouTube and why I did YouTube and what I've learned. As a quick background, my YouTube channel is about a car build. So I'm taking a kit car and putting a Tesla motor in it. So it's a really fast car and it's an exciting build. And it took me a little over a year to get to 1,000 subscribers. My content is car build videos. So it's a smaller subset of viewers, and I'm not very social media savvy. So for those who are big time Facebook or Instagram users, they'll have a lot easier time getting to 1,000 subscribers. The primary purpose of YouTube for me was documenting my build. I thought I'd want to go back and revisit my build to see what I had done. So I never really imagined that I would gain subscribers. My family was interested. I had a few friends that were interested, but as I published videos, I would get some subscribers. And that got me really interested in how YouTube works. So let me show you really quick on the analytic page. One of the things that was really interesting to me, even from the beginning, was the real-time information. It was really shocking to me that somebody would watch my videos. And I could see real time, oh my gosh, it's like 12 o'clock noon and 2 people are watching it. So I just thought it was really interesting. And from that point on, I was really interested in the numbers, what things were interesting to YouTube viewers, and how to grow channels and things like that. So some of my videos have quite a few views. This one's got 400 and something. This one's got 5,000. I remember just before I published this one, I said, I think this is going to be a dud. I just didn't feel like it had a lot of good build content. So the batteries arrived, but just again, not a lot of build content. What I figured out from a YouTube perspective is it's all about the thumbnail and people clicking on the video. So I figured out that people are viewing it based on the thumbnail and the description. So there are way more people that were interested in electric vehicle batteries than a lot of my other build content. So you can see 73 subscribers, more than 7% of my subscribers come from this one video. So one of the things that helped me realize is that many of my subscribers come from videos that I did several months ago. Even though I put in a lot of care and effort into each new video that I create, many of the subscribers come from videos that were done a while ago. So I want to show you a little more on the analytics side. These peaks show the views. The peaks are when I post new content. I typically put out one video a week to let people know the status of the build, what I've been working on. The reach category shows me how people are finding my videos. So let's start with traffic sources. The primary way that people find my content is through YouTube search. So they'll type into the search bar terms, and they'll scroll down. So mine typically won't be a top video, but they'll scroll down and eventually find my content and click on it. That is the number one way that I get views. The browse feature is traffic from the home screen, from subscription source. So if you're a subscriber, that's where your views fall. The channel pages are if somebody clicks on a video on my channel page or on somebody else's channel page. The suggested videos are the videos that appear on the right side while you're watching a main video. External is where somebody posts a video on Facebook, or I am a member on a few forums, and so if I post a video there and people click on it, that is where those views come from. So YouTube is very interested in this funnel, or they call it the YouTube algorithm. The first tier is impressions. So this is every time they show the thumbnail of one of my videos. If somebody clicks on it, it becomes a view, and you'll see in between those two, they've got a click-through rate. If they showed a thumbnail to 1,000 people, right now, 55 people would click on it. Now again, from those views, they're interested in how long they stay on your video. So again, the average view duration or the total time watched. So YouTube is very interested in having people to stay on their platform as long as possible. This helps them get more ad revenue, and this is really what YouTube's all about. So as a content creator, this is the algorithm that YouTube uses to see if they should promote your video. That means keep suggesting, giving impressions to have people view your video. As a small channel, I do not believe that YouTube is entirely fair. To illustrate a point, I think I'll draw a comparison with I'll say a TV show. So say a TV show like Seinfeld, they have a large following. It's a kind of a proven TV show that many people watch and enjoy. The very next episode that comes out, they will highly promote it. A small channel, let's say it has the identical content, they will not promote it to the same level that they would if it's, say, the TV show Seinfeld. So I feel that there's another element of this algorithm that is, I'll just say, kind of how well you're followed, your YouTube status. And as a small channel, it is very difficult to break through. So typical click-through rates can range from like 3 to even up to 10%. I have several videos that are at a 10% click-through rate and yet still do not get promoted by YouTube. But that's how it works. Another one I think is interesting is the audience. For my channel, this is the balance of subscribers versus non-subscribers. So there are actually more that view my content that are not subscribers. What subscribing means is hitting the little button at the bottom that says subscribe. What this means is YouTube will recognize that you have subscribed to this channel. It kind of indicates to them that you potentially like this content and you would like to see more of it. Not just from me, but from other creators that have similar content. Again, subscribing does not send you emails. It indicates to YouTube that that would be a good type of video to show you. But YouTube is trying to recognize its users and what they like to see to get more people to stay on their product. I've also found it very fascinating, the top countries. I always assumed that it'd be 90-something% United States, but you see that we've got India, United Kingdom, Canada, many other countries. Another one that I find very interesting is the age and gender. So apparently 98.3% of my viewers are male. Also, nobody under the age of 18 views my videos, and nobody over the age of 65 views my videos. I think really what this means is for those who are logged into Google or to YouTube, it means that those people have not potentially completed their profile that indicates their age or gender. That's my guess, because I know I've got people that are younger than 18 that view my content. Here is another one that I'm sure you are all interested in: revenue. That's right, I've got $0. So the way this works, and this is why people get really excited about 1,000 subscribers. So I'll go into monetization. So people think once you get 1,000 subscribers that you can get money, but there are actually two criteria. The first being 1,000 subscribers, the second being 4,000 public watch hours. So I still need 81 more public watch hours, and then we get to be in the YouTube Partner Program. What this means is that YouTube will place ads in your videos or before or after your videos. They will share revenues from those ads with you. I do not get to control what those ads are. These are from Google, and Google performs their advertising based on your viewing history. So whatever you have viewed or whatever your interests are based on your internet history will be the ads or type of ads that you will see. From what I have researched, it is typical for it to be between $1 and $2 for every 1,000 views. So here, for the last 28 days, we'll call that about a month, I've had about 6,000 views. So that will be between $6 and $12 of revenue for me. As I also understand it, YouTube will not cut you a check for less than $100. So it may take several months for me to get my first YouTube paycheck. But as you can see, for a small channel, you will not earn very much money at all. So for those of you who are interested in YouTube, make sure it is something that you're passionate about and enjoy, because you will not see any money for a long time. All right, so that's kind of the recap on YouTube, my experience, what I've learned, some of the ins and outs of behind the scenes and in the numbers. But that was my journey to 1,000 subscribers. Check out some of my other videos for some build content. If you haven't subscribed, please consider subscribing.